Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Muhammad HAKIM bin SHAMSHUL KAMAR, and today I will be presenting our assignment, which is Predictive Active Suspension System. So this presentation is for BMMA 4593 Vehicle Suspension System. So as an introduction, firstly, there are several types of suspension. There are three types of suspension system, which is the passive, semi-active, and fully active suspension system. So a passive suspension system is a type of suspension where the suspension components are fixed. And for semi-active suspension system, is a type of suspension system that controls the damping force of the shock absorber in response to input from the continuously varying road surface, and it may be implemented by several types of control methodologies. And today we are going to talk about a fully active suspension system, or in other words, the predictive active suspension system. So a fully active suspension system are a system where it can change its variables during vehicle is in motion. So this can be done by having a certain sensors. So these several sensors can predict the road condition, and it can regulate the variables of the suspension accordingly, such as the damping coefficient. So this is what known as the predictive active suspension system. This was done electromechanically. So a good example of this system was applied to the most known Audi R8.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hilmi bin Zainudin, and I will continue for the methodology for predictive active suspension, P.A.S. So P.A.S is an advanced component consists of 5 sensors which constantly measure each type of body motion, which are side to side, front to rear, and vertical. Each wheel has an advanced strut incorporates with an active air suspension that can rapidly move upwards or downwards. So P.A.S network system consists of electronic suspension platform, front camera for predictive detection, power electronic motors on front and rear axle, active suspension actuators, ride height sensor, and central driver assistant control. So as the front camera detects bumps on the road, P.A.S will change the length of each strut to compensate for the forces acting on the car. Electromechanical actuators adjust the suspension, which lift up or force down each of the wheels individually to manage the body's ride height in every situation. With every movement, P.A.S quickly takes action at each wheel to help keep the whole car level, so handling will become smoother, flatter, and safer. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad KHAIRULNAIM. I'm going to explain about the advantages of proper suspension, which is predictive active suspension. Firstly, the suspension system reduces roll angle to 2 degrees, while standard suspension have more than 5 degrees roll angle. Second, the system have ability to identify uneven surface before they are reached, which the system will regulate the actuator and actively adjust the suspension. This will result in reducing body movement. Thirdly, the system also have a transverse force reduction, which when entering a bend, it will raise the body on the outer side of the bend while lowering it on other side. For a straight line travel, in the Comfort Plus profile, predictive active suspension can equally reduce the forces acting on the human body. When accelerating hard or braking in a situation that could impact comfort, it equalizes the body pitching movement. Next, when the door handle of the AA is operated, the body is quickly raised up to 50 mm for even easier entry and exit of the vehicle. Lastly, it has ability to increase passive safety in an impending side impact at more than 35 km per hour. The active suspension raises the body by up to 80 mm on the other side of the impact. This brings the body into a better position to absorb the impact energy. That's all. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Muhammad REZDUAN. So today I will share about our opinion. So we will choose predictive active suspension system for new electric vehicle design. So this type of suspension system will improve the dynamic handling system and comfort for the passenger because it uses electromechanical actuators to adjust the suspension. So this suspension system can lift or force down each of the wheels individually to manage the body's height and body's right height in every situation actively. So let's say you are driving and you have to turn into a sharp turn. So the suspension will uh, reduce or force down the wheels. So you can turn at the corner very comfortably. So that is our opinion for the new electric vehicle design suspension. So, in conclusion, predictive active suspension system is the best option available for new electric car because it has a lot of advantages compared to another type of suspension system. That's all from me. Thank you.